This will be the first time I reveal my custom plate. Oh god. What's going on, guys? It's Matt. Stop running. One life, one chance, start living. Sing it louder just to let the world know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness. Holy crap, I'm tired. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be doing my second Q&A. I had a bunch of you ask me a bunch of questions on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, go ahead and give me a follow. Put it down right here. So we'll get to the Q&A right now. But first, I had something come in. What could it be? You guys already know by the title. So I went ahead and ordered some custom plates, and let me tell you, I've been waiting a good like month and a half to try and get some custom plates because I just went through a whole ordeal. It was so tedious, the process was just such a pain in the butt, but at least I got them, you know? But I just got back from the DMV right now, so I already saw them. So I guess this will be the first time I reveal my custom plate. Oh god. Oh yeah, and I don't know if the camera is making it backwards. But yeah, these are the new plates. It's slow. Hell yeah. And a lot of you are probably wondering, why do you want to put that on your car? Why do you want to call your car slow? Because it is slow. It's a V6 Mustang. Everybody says they're slow. Everybody calls the V6 Mustang slow. So here you go. It's fucking slow. The main reason I wanted to get a custom plate is because, I mean, just look at that white plate. Look at how it just stands out. It's like the only blemish on my car that just, I don't know, it just stands out. The black plate is gonna look a lot better than that white one. And to be honest, I would honestly prefer not having a front plate, but yeah. F the guy who drilled into this bumper. Like, why? Why? Oh my god, that looks so good. I can't wait to take it out right now. Oh yes. Looks so much better. You gotta see the booty though. You gotta see the booty though. Yes. Oh my god. Damn. The back end does look a little different, not gonna lie. Alright, so we're just gonna knock out this Q&A real quick in the car real quick, cause why not? I had a bunch of you asking me a bunch of questions on Instagram. If you're not following me, go ahead and give me a follow to stay updated on when I post videos and stuff like that. Alright, so let's get into it. First question, what's the next mod for your Mustang? Well, I actually want to get some slided rotors next because my stock rotors are starting to get to the end of their life cycle, and some carbon ceramic brakes. And then I have a hood that I want to get that I've been looking at for a while now, but everybody knows car parts aren't cheap. Are you boosting the Stang in the future? And I get asked this question so much, and I feel like I'm almost pressured to boost the Stang, but the simple answer is I can't afford it. You know, I'm a college student. That alone should just tell you that I can't afford boost right now. But however much income this channel makes will go towards something like that in the future, for sure. And I want to hopefully build this channel up one day so I can afford something like that, which would be so awesome. Oh god. In your opinion, what's better, Dyno Tune or Bama Tune? 37 Stang vids? What do you think? Dyno Tune, brother. How long did it take you to install the Wicker bill you have? It took us like 2 hours. We had a little issue with the alignment on with the rivets and the holes on the Wicker bill, but it took us like 2 hours. How often do you replace your blinker fluid? Actually, I gotta change mine pretty soon because if you listen, yeah, it needs to be a little bit faster. I definitely need to change my blinker fluid. What are you in school for, and would you ever consider doing YouTube full time? I'm actually studying kinesiology, which is defined as the study of human movement, if you didn't know. And I'm actually going for like something in sports medicine or something in that field. And I would ever consider doing YouTube full time. I would, if the opportunity ever arose, I would 100% do YouTube full time. Do you know the Muffin Man? No, I don't, but the real question is, does the Muffin Man know me? Will you meet with your followers? If I ever got a following that was big enough. How can I grow up to be as cool as you? Dude, look at this. This is the guy who asked this question. Just look. It doesn't get cooler than that. I don't know. Have you ever noticed that your exhaust tips aren't even, or is it just me? Yeah, I have noticed that. And I actually plan to get underneath the car pretty soon to adjust the exhaust because it's starting to like rattle and stuff from all the times I've scraped it. Will you adopt me? Yes, son, I will adopt you. MPT or AMR? Honestly, you can't go wrong with either or, but honestly, I would go to MPT. They're proven. They've been around for a while, and they've been the tune that a lot of people go to. I would go to MPT. How much of a difference do 373s make in a 0 to 60? Honestly, a big difference. If you could hook up, if you're spinning, it's gonna get slower, but if you could hook up, it'll be a big difference. I don't know the exact times, but yeah. You get a majority of your parts from American Muscle. Honestly, whatever I can get from American Muscle, I will get from American Muscle. Why, you may ask? Because it's just so convenient. It's a well put together website, and yeah, I like him. I like Justin from American Muscle. I want to be like him one day. Look at that fucking dude. But yeah, whatever I can get from American Muscle, I will, but not everything on the car is from American Muscle. What is a full list of everything you have done to your car, and what do you recommend for first mods on a 3.7? Full list, I'm gonna make a video pretty soon on my full mods and everything. And what mods? First mods, headers, tune, and gears. My boy Randy says, when can I get that Call Me Matt merch? This dude asks me this all the time in person, and honestly, I probably wouldn't even consider something like that until at least 10,000 subscribers. Damn, it got dark fast. Are you running any suspension mods? If so, what are they and you recommend? I'm running the Eibach Sportlines springs, just the springs and the stock struts and everything. And honestly, I would recommend going with like a coilover setup or something like that, because springs are a pretty rough ride. Would you ever boost your car or get a Coyote later on? And honestly, I 100% boosting this car before I even touch a V8. I'm gonna put boost on this car. That's my next big thing, is putting boost on this car. What part of Texas are you from? I'm from far west Texas. El Paso, Texas is the name. Why is your car slow? Because it's a V6. Duh. What's your favorite thing about driving? My favorite thing about driving is honestly just cruising, listening to that exhaust note and the backfires and stuff that happens when you're just driving. But yeah, man, after a long day, just cruising home in the Stang. That's what I like about driving. Alright guys, that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Huge shout out to all the people who asked the questions. I really do appreciate you guys. And we're almost at 5,000 subscribers, which is so crazy. Thank you guys so much for that. And also drop a comment down below what you guys think of the new plate, because you know, slow V6, man, slow V6. But next video is gonna be a track video, so be on the lookout for that. It's gonna be a good one. The hell are you making noise for? But if you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. Helps me out a ton. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.